Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So you can see we've got some old favourites back in stock. This is really just a restocking video, not an unboxing. So people have been asking when we're getting more Maples in. They have arrived, and more Krugerrands. They have also arrived. So you should see them, if you're seeing this video, they should be on the website, or you can come into store, so level 6227 Collins Street, and grab them while we've got them. Should be here for a few weeks before the next delivery arrives. All right, so grab them while they're here. Link in the description down below, hopefully. And yeah, grab them while you can. See ya.